How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is the 22nd. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. The market still has some hour, I guess 3 hours to close. I guess that's a better way of putting it. I was able to make a video. So, just want to look around, talk about some stuff. There isn't too much to actually talk about, but I do want to scan for just some setups or something because I haven't had any time to look at the market. AG this week, kind of crazy, shot up like 20% in like 2 days back here. Here's that big trend line. It actually is holding above, which is a good sign. I still like MAG much more. MAG, so this is from 2007. We have this all-time high here, or relatively. Now it's broken out of that, and it's come down to retest it. So I started I added more today. So I'm kind of happy that I was able to look at the market today because I think it's a good time to buy. For me, my position, my portfolio. I think this is still a good trade, AG, but MAG I think is just a better company. EMX, another company we had. Man, it shot up like mad high, 10% like that one day. It's a Tuesday, the 20th, or 2 days ago, Wednesday. So, made a good amount of money there, still holding the shares. I'm debating, I kind of want to start trimming back some positions. Like, I like Pepsi, you know, I think I have a good dividend in it. I think it's just about 3%, but I know, you know, Biden's gonna be printing 1 trillion more dollars. There's just a lot of stuff going on, and I think the market, at least the stock market, is gonna be going up. But man, like, let's take a look at like QQQ, like, just look at this, just straight up. I guess what is this back from? Oh, that is March. I think we need some more weekly candles. So this is back from 2018, you know. I don't know. I think we need to see some pullback. I understand that this market could go up for much longer, but it's just, I don't know. Something doesn't seem right. You know, it's I think it's only a matter of time. We just need to see a pullback, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to justify selling a bunch of stuff, but at the same time, I have a feeling that the party isn't over, but I don't want to be, I don't know. I think I just want to sell some stuff, raise some cash, like Pepsi. I like my position, but I don't love it, you know. Like, I love my Disney position, even though, you know, I sat through a lot of bad stuff, a lot of bad times. We're getting a good move. If Disney is definitely a company I want to keep adding to. It's hard to justify these prices. 2 weeks about until, like 2.5 weeks until earnings. Even though Disney doesn't have a dividend really. Yeah, it doesn't have a dividend. I just don't care for Pepsi. I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm just rambling about nothing. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Let's look at gold and silver. These are weekly. Like, again, on this weekly chart, like, gold still looks pretty good. This candle looks really bad, though. Let's get rid of these. Just kind of confusing. Look at all this stuff. I need to see more volume. Like, yeah, this candle looks really bad. We got this nice hold. Yeah, this is a weekly candle, so end of this week. It looking strong. We're still holding above 18. We actually touch 1800? Yeah, we just touched it. That's a good signal in my opinion. Silver is double bottom. That's, yeah, basically double bottom, but 28 bucks. People just wanted to sell it. Surprising. Not looking too strong though, but gold is the god market we're looking out for. Companies such as AA, Alcola, and US Steel X got hit pretty hard. 25% drop about AA fell. Yeah, 25%. I think that was a pullback I'm looking for. If we can hit this like 18 bucks, actually at 20. We did have earnings. I don't know if this is like a great time to enter. But definitely better. You know, we had that huge nice run up. I can't believe I missed out that, but you know, we get a retest, probably not here. $16. I don't know if I want to bet on that though. Wow, Alcola at one time was that much money. Did they have a split though? Yeah, they had some splits, so what happened to my chart? Let's see, what line is that? $14. Let's look at this. Yeah, I guess around here is where we're looking at. 18 bucks. I don't know. Maybe I don't want to wait for. I don't want to wait for like a rounding or a touch and then go. I think I should wait for a rounding, make sure it holds this price. But these things move fast. Anyway, just gonna keep watching that. Apple's back at this level. Kinda wish I had my shares back from here. It would be up 17%, but that's 60 days is a long trade. Cameo Corp, the uranium company, yeah, it's falling nicely, to be honest. Good thing I didn't get in yet. If we see these $10 price, I definitely want to try and enter. But right now, DLR, still didn't get a chance to look at that. LUV Southwest, I was actually looking at today with my friend. Go to weekly. You know, we got that up. We got a 1, 2, 3, like a bunch of candle price activity right here. Look at that. It's actually beautiful. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 basically. Shoots above, and now we're kind of holding in this channel. But we got all these selling wicks. Earnings are coming up. He kind of thinks it's gonna break up. I mean, if I'm just looking at the technicals, I feel like this should break down, but I think just with what's going on, you know, printing all this money, vaccines, yeah, I think it is probable it shoots up, but I don't know if I want to bet on that. Neo's had a good run up, it's up 5.5% right now. Wow, very surprised. I still thought it was gonna try to retest down here, but nope, it just continues. SM Energy, we had that good trade. I'm still hanging on to like half my position. You know, I'm kind of waiting for it to come back here before I even add, but if it goes up to here, you know, 12 bucks, I think I'm just gonna sell before earnings. After earnings, I'll reevaluate, but that would be bad. Good thing I sold out of Smith & Wesson brands. I think, let me see if I get a trade on, see if it works. It never does, but what do you know? It doesn't work. Alright. But one of these days I sold it. I just didn't like it, and then it fell, so that was a kind of a feels good thing. Let's get that out. What's Tesla doing? I need a smaller time frame to see this. It's even like creating like again like a mini channels or channel. Like, is this breaking up again? Like, jeez, like how much higher can this thing go? Crazy. UBA. Oh, I probably should. Wow. Okay, so that's a good price. Good zone. I don't know though. Workhorse. Yeah, just looking at that. I don't even know why I look at this. I think it just it looks nice to trade, but what's moving today? Oh yeah, IBM and Intel. They got smoked today. Oh, off earnings. Wow. PL or AMC and PLT or jeez, I kind of wish I did, or not wish, but we're looking down here like literally this $2 mark because it's the all-time low. That would have been a crazy trade, but it's risky, real risky. So I don't think that company's gonna be around too long. So it's just a trade. It's not an investment. PLTR. Nice little big jump today. Bath Body Works moving. Stitch Fix. BlackBerry 20% the last few days. I don't know actually what happened here, but pretty wild. It's moving a lot. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, okay, I just lost like 6 companies on my list. Man, this thing bugs out a lot. Airbnb. Let's see what else we're looking at. Let's see. I'm not looking at too much. Fitch. What is this company? Like, far-fetched. Literally, look at all these things back here. We're looking at this. All these zones. I was looking at buying it, and then this thing just rips. That's like 400%. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. I think GM also, yeah, GM took off. I heard in the news. Something with EVs probably. What's Google doing? Wow, Google's at 1900. I'm such an idiot. I bought 1500 zip around, sold it for a loss, and then it shoots up like I'm an idiot. Just dumb. I'm gonna try and do some research this weekend on. I think I kind of want to look at really in depthly at MAG. This is my big boy company. I want to, just start doing stuff in or adding to. What else I want to look at? I do want to look at just more high yielding dividend stuff, but I don't even know if it's like really worth it. I don't know. I'm so confused with what to do with investments because, excuse me, getting sleepy. Because just, it's pretty uncertain. I feel like the near future, I feel like everything kind of is uncertain. I guess we should probably talk about this because it's probably the most important thing in the video. Markets going up. We have Biden as president. We got a lot of printing coming. Democrats all around. We basically have like a universal UBI kind of thing going on in the United States, at least. Interest rates are really low. Not looking to raise it for at least another year, maybe 2 years. Debt is skyrocketing. Company valuations are off the charts relative to just normal metrics. I think, not looking at the markets for a week really made me debrief in my mind and just take a step back. Like, I don't think this, just because you can make money in this right now, doesn't mean it's the right move. I think the right move right now is raising a lot of cash, keeping some good investments. I'm almost, I want more volatile stuff, because I feel like dividend investment right now, it's weird. It's weird. I think it's fine to have some stuff, obviously, but I'm looking, if I'm looking to add more Pepsi or something, I feel like I should wait. I should be patient, because I think there's gonna be better opportunities. Or if I want to buy more Disney, yeah, I'm up a lot. I don't really want to sell, but I don't want to add either. And I feel like, I do want to add. Obviously, I want more of the company, but I don't like these prices really. I don't like it in this type of environment right now. Yeah, just uncertain with a lot of stuff. But we'll figure it out. Wow, AG moved up a lot since we were last talking. What happened? Interesting. Anyway, yeah, I'm kind of just hanging out, chatting. I don't think I'm gonna say too much more important stuff. Wow, what happened to Kellogg's? Down 20% in the last half a year. Huh? $57. They didn't raise their dividend like they did in the past. Let me see something. 0.57 times 4 divided by 58. 58.4. Whoops. I would mess that up. Divided by 58.4. Almost a 4% yield. What's General Mills doing? Because, that seems to be cents a share. 51 times 4 divided by 55.8. 3.7 about. A little below. Interesting. I was first actually looking at General Mills back here as one of my first stocks. I was like, why is their dividend like 5 or 6%? Didn't seem right, but they held on to their dividend. Actually, from this day. Okay, so in, wow, what is that, like 1,000 days? They barely raised their dividend. I guess that's a little what stock split was this? 2 to 1. Why'd they bother with that? Let's go back to Kellogg's. I feel like that's almost a really good value. Huh? That's interesting. I just randomly looked at it. What's McDonald's doing? We need bigger time frames. Raising our dividend pretty aggressively. 2016, 89 cents. Now they're at 129. What actually is that dividend? $1.29 times 4 divided by 214 about. Only 2.4. They are again aggressively raising it. It is a good company. Is this in my invest in? Yes. I probably should actually clean up my investment thing. I don't think I want Aflac as a company. American Tower I think is a pretty good company, but yeah, Duke Energy, that hasn't really done anything in a while. Etsy, whoa, that thing shot up. Wow. GULD, these healthcare REITs, I think I had them in my mind, but I don't know if I really care. General Dynamics, I do like Kellogg's in that zone. I don't know. A bank, JP Morgan, wow, going back to all-time highs. We got Kirkland, Kimberly Clark, MPW, I don't really care for that. MTL Keep, Raytheon. Wait, Raytheon just took, jeez. Store, I think is the company I really like for an investment REIT because of their business model is a little bit different than others. Yeah, I got a lot of junk in here, to be honest. Taking out Whirlpool, Qualcomm. Yeah. Anyway, let's wrap up this video. So I'm gonna probably try and look. Oh, we didn't talk about Bitcoin. How's Bitcoin doing? It's fallen below 30,000. Yep. Oh no, it moved back up today. Okay. Cool. Anyway, yeah, just looking like it needs a pullback. You know, it's on a crazy run. It's healthy, so I still think it's got potential to go much higher. So, yeah, gonna try to spend maybe an hour or two or a couple hours this weekend just reading on some companies or something. Maybe I'll talk to you guys on Sunday about it, or yeah, we'll see what happens. No promises, but I'll try to make another video real soon. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you're watching anything cool down below. Some of you, I know, comment on some stuff, or let me know like some good companies you're watching. It's good to hear what other people are thinking, just so I get a better idea of I don't just who my audience is, so I can discuss those things when I make videos such as this.